Hello guys, so let me show you something really interesting. So this Blender is a custom build from Yuri CGStrive. You know him because he made a great splash screen with a guy, sci-fi, etc. And this guy is really good. And he worked on this custom Blender, and this custom Blender have some custom parts, and one of those parts is, for example, a triangulate modifier. So like that, as you can see, I have this model. I will just show you the wire, and if I disable it, as you can see, you have something like that. So this is really interesting because now you can, on object with modifiers with endguns, add a subsurf, and as you can see, the result is perfect. And you can, of course, edit your model. So I will just make this, and if I move this, woohoo, this is perfect. As you can see, this is really nice. I can move this here. I can select this, move this, and it's really nice. So obviously, on some part like this, this is not perfect, but depending on what you will do, you will have a proper result, and everything will be updated. And of course, everything is editable. Everything is non-destructive. For example, I will call this one. I will just move this. This one is just a plane. This is just a plane, so I can play with this solidify. My object is edited directly, so I will select this one just to show you. I will play with this, and as you can see, everything is updated directly on Blender. So this is a modifier I would love to have directly inside Blender, because as you can see, this is really useful. It's non-destructible. It's that I can play with my bevels. I can add some other bevels, or just make this, etc. Can go on this one. I can go on this one to make something like that. I can make a scale, move it, and as you can see, everything is updated like that, and this is really nice. For a full non-destructible workflow, for me this is the best. You can do whatever you want, and this is really nice, like that. So as you can see, this is a really great job. Yuri, you're the best. Like that. Everything is perfect. If I check, the result is perfect. I will hide all the object, as you can see. And in this build, there is the weighted normal. So if I undo it, disable it, as you can see, I have something better. So here I have a little issue. This is normal. I will just move this a little, like that, up, like that. So this is pretty nice. I really like it, and seriously, really good job. So one other modifier is a weld modifier. So as you can see, you have this. If you play with the value, you will start to weld the different parts, as you can see. And this is really nice. You can see the power of this one combined with the triangulate, etc. So this is really nice. And this is also something really nice. This is just a curve. So as you can see, this is just a curve. I can press Alt S to make something like that, if I want. Okay, and I have directly my displays on a curve. So this is something not possible in Blender right now, but with this hack, you can do it. and you can change, you can use something else, like Stucky. And this is really, really nice, and of course, fully non-destructible. I can edit everything. I really, 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 really like it. This is nice. Seriously, you're the best. This is really nice. There is some other options, but I don't know I don't really know this build. I just have it. I wanted to show you directly the possibilities, and I really hope Blender Dev will make all of this possible. Triangulate, weight and normal will be into 0.8. Triangulate, weld. These two, this is really nice. He said me this is just a hack, and it was not too complicated to make all of this, so we can think for Blender Dev that can be really easy to make the triangulate. And as you can see, the triangulate is really useful for a non-destructible workflow. The triangulate plus the oh, I have a little issue here. The triangulate plus yes, it's normal. Plus the weld, etc., that can be really useful. As you can see, this is pretty clean, and I will hide it. I will add a subsurf, and that's it. I can add subsurf now, and even if it's not perfect, that's enough to check, etc., to see the final version, and this is really nice. So once again, well done, Yuri, and I really hope Blender Devs will do this. The triangulate, I want it. This one too, that can be really useful. Imagine with some other texture. No need, not this, but some. I will check with. Let's check with the wood. This is too fun. Ring. And you can see the power of this. This is really nice. Seriously, we need this. Oopa. Like that. Oh, my bad. Okay, so I made something bad. Ah, it was my view. Okay, so you see this. I want this. Everyone wants this. Obviously, this is perfect. So I will play a little more with this build. This is in fact the last 279.6 build, and this is really nice. So I can play with this trench here. Hopla. I will point one. Seriously? I like it. So, my opinion is if we have as many modifiers as possible, that can be really nice. I know Pablo said one time we have too many modifiers, but honestly no, we don't have too many modifiers. We need more modifiers. We need as many modifiers as we can to do everything possible to make we need as many modifiers as possible. This is my opinion, and I keep it. We need more modifiers, we need triangulate, we need weld, we need everything to make it to make everything possible. This is just a cube, and with modifiers I have something really nice. I have something really nice, really clean, and I really like it. So that's it. I will stop here, and I will play with this build. See you later.